Okay, it's this time of the year, and what we got in front of us here, these little green plants are called ramps. That's what we call them. I'm sure there's other names for them. You can probably look them up online. But these ones, there's a little patch that kind of flew up from where they were. They're down over the hill here, and I'll take you down there and show it to them down there. But real tasty little things. They're kind of like, I say, they're a little spicy. They're probably in between maybe a garlic and onion. The taste is, you can pretty much cook them in anything. You can cook them with ham. You can cook them with eggs for breakfast and mornings. Some people would actually use them, put them on toast with toast and butter, like you would do an onion. And they're really, really tasty. We get them every year about this time. And I'll harvest, like I said, a little bit of them, take them home and get them ready. But I'll take you down here over the top of the hill where I have them planted, and I'll show you how they're growing. And they're just growing everywhere down there. Okay, let's get ready to go down. I'm gonna grab my shovel, and you guys can walk down with me. Well, I figure since I have some up in here, I'll go ahead and dig some up here, and then I'll go ahead and I'll dig some back in here a little bit. But like I said, I'll dig them all different places so they can continue to keep growing like they have been. Excuse me. But I'll get you up closer here and I'll show you. But some of the bigger ones, they'll have a pretty nice little bulb on the end right here, like an onion would. See, so that's basically what it looks like. And you just cut the roots off right here, and then wash it up real good, and then take all this dirt and stuff off of here, and so you got some almost like wild leeches. I think they call them leeches right here. And then you just get a couple bundles of them, whatever you're going to use. You can cut these off and cook these or put them on a sandwich, like I said, with bread and butter, or that's what a lot of the older people used to do around here. They would use it for a little breakfast sandwich. And I just normally don't take anything that I don't want, so I really don't dig it unless I don't want it. So, okay, let me go ahead and get some more. These will go into one of my bags. And they'll probably be tomorrow's breakfast with some ham. Little pieces here. Okay, I got some here. Now I'm gonna come down here because it's a little thick down here, and I'll get some down here. Now these are pretty nice size back in here. Pretty big. I don't want to smash them all down and everything. Just try to get me a little place in here maybe and pull up some more here. Little patch here. These are pretty nice. And then they'll stay out there for a while. Probably will get somewhere around a couple weeks here, because they're getting pretty big now. And then the bulb stays in the ground. The leaves kind of disappear. They die off. And then they come up next year the same way. Try to get the dirt off of them. I like the leaves. Some people probably like the bulbs, but I think the leaves are the part I like. I guess. Here's one. It really don't take long to get a bag of them, and like I said, probably me and my wife will be down here later to get another one, and we'll put them away. Now, some people can these pickled. I think it's called pickle beets. I've heard of people canning them. We don't. We'll maybe 4 or 5 bags. You know, the baggies, Ziploc baggies, and we'll end up putting them into the refrigerator or freezer. And in the wintertime, we can eat them throughout the winter. And like I said, at that time, we just kind of chop them up. And they can go into anything. I mean, it's great to go into salads, just about anything. I mean, so that's about it today on the ramps. We're going to go ahead. I'm going to dig a little bit more just to fill this bag up, because it'll be good enough for me for now. And then me and my wife will probably, like I said, I'll come down later and we'll probably dig a few just to kind of do something a little bit different. So, okay, if guys any comments or anything, just leave them down below. I'll get back with you.